welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV schedule from the 27th to the 31st of October 2025 on Monday. Diro reveals the truth that pushes Simi Day to want to take Mdala down by any means. A desperate man asks a huge favor, but he is rejected on Tuesday. Diro plans a dangerous idea, and this time the target isn't just a blackmail. Player sparks an unexpected experience and a quiet turning point for a man on Wednesday. A troubled man finds an unexpected peace, but soon realizes the work isn't over. A life-changing offer comes, and the poet and Toriso must face unexpected rejection on Thursday. While Mdala grasps at straws, taps point to a potential instigator behind all his recent troubles. The son reels when his mother compares him to a man he holds in low regard on Friday. Taps realizes Mdala's suspicions may run deeper than he expected. He also realizes that his enemy is too close for comfort. Toriso supports a choice that could change everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.